Okay, so we're looking at Tortilla's H1 results. Revenues increased 22%, which is decent. Like for likes up 8%, which is all right. Franchise sites are doing well. There's further franchise sites planned. I think they need to really pump the franchise sites because why not? It's low risk and high capital rewards. I really think they should let that go and just keep growing it, to be honest. I'm not quite sure why they're not. They've created some new sites, but it's really not that many, to be honest. Three new sites in the last 7 months. I think that's quite slow progress in my opinion. Really, when they've got 85 sites, they should. I think they should be growing a bit faster than that, but that's just my opinion. They've added to some new things on the menu: tortilla, sunset menu, and happy hour offers. This is quite key that the board remains confident in the ability to deliver results in line with market expectations. The CEO is saying pleased with the revenue growth, blah, 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 blah. Revenue, the expectations, the consensus for the full year 2023 is nearly 70 million with 5 million in EBITDA. That's quite an interesting number. Let's look at that because let's look at what they're valued at right now. I think it's a lot lower than that, in terms of, right? So they're valued at 32 million, right? So if they achieve 5 million, that's a PE of 6. That's really, really low. The valuation is like super low if they achieve 5 million for the year. So even though they're only growing store count quite slowly, the valuation's gone down quite dramatically from 195 to 80. I personally think this should be valued at between 10 and 20x PE easily. If they're making 5 million this year of EBITDA, should be valued between, I reckon, about 100 million, which is 3x what it is, which would be about 240p personally. And that would be 20 PE. I think for them to get there, to show the market and give the market confidence, they need to be growing store count. I'm not quite sure why they only had 2 or 3 open like in 6-7 months. But nevertheless, I think 5 million is a good target. I suppose I would like to see, kind of 10, 20, 30 stores a year because they haven't got a lot of competition now, but it doesn't mean that a big player couldn't come along and start building 30 stores a year like Chipotle. And why not? Why not expand? Why not show, potential new franchise partners the growth and the opportunity? So that's my thoughts. I think Tortilla is really, really undervalued. I think they could be growing faster. I'm not sure they've got this. They might have something missing in terms of the personnel or the strategy, but it seems that it's not going very quickly, is my concern. When you think about some of the other companies I follow, like Escape Hunt, they're growing massively. There's another small company, and they're growing much faster than Tortilla. Catebox even, I think, is growing at 20 or 30 stores a year. Now, I don't think they're growing that quickly, but yeah, it's a little bit disappointing to only have 2 or 3 stores in a 6-month period. Nevertheless, it's a really cheap valuation. That's my opinion at the moment. Guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, share this with your friends and colleagues and family who think that they'd find use from this channel. Me making videos about all different types of investment and my analysis, my insight, my financial logic. Remember, the knowledge is power, especially like kind of knowledge and progress, everything. Check out these other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Take care. Cheers.